Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope good. So today is the second class of English. So in the last class we have done the explanation of first chapter. He knows the workman. So in this lesson we have learned how Jai Kishan, who was very old but he feared God. Even in the darkest corner while he was carving a statue of Buddha, he was fearing God. He doesn't want God to punish him. That's why he was doing his work very affectionately, right? So जब उनके पास अशोका का एक messenger आता है and the man says के why you are making these beautiful statues? So he says के in this corner also the God will watch me, isn't it? So we must always fear God. We should not think कि nobody is watching, hence we can do anything, this or that. हम जब God हमें देख नहीं रहा है तो we can do anything. We should not think like this. We must always fear God. So today we will complete our exercises. In your class first write your meanings, then after that write your question answers. Okay, first write the heading, the name of the lesson, below that write meanings, and after that copy the first question. Fine, and I'll write the answers on board. So here the first question is, what did Ashoka want to build? So what is the answer? Anyone knows it? What did Ashoka wanted to build? Ashoka wanted to build a new temple. Fine. Now copy the second question. Who was Jai Kishan? Jai Kishan कौन था? Who was Jai Kishan? The answer is Jai Kishan was a stone carver. कौन थे Jai Kishan? Stone carver. Who is a stone carver? The one who makes statues. So the next question. What did Ashoka order Jai Kishan? Ashoka क्या order करे Jai Kishan को? Third answer, Ashoka ordered Jai Kishan to carve the figure of Lord Buddha, isn't it? So back to our fourth question. How did the garments of the statue look? How did the garments of the statue look? Answer is the garments looked so soft and thin as if they were made of silk. Fine. Next question. He also knows the workman. Okay, next question is, he also knows the workman. In this sentence, the word he refers to whom? तो ये sentence में जो word दिया है he, it refers to whom, means he का meaning क्या है? Here he refers to, fifth answer is he in inverted comma refers to God in capital letters and inverted comma. Full stop. So with this we have finished our question and answers, and the rest of the exercise bit in the reader, the grammar part. Okay, ये जो grammar part है left over, I'll send you the pictures of this. Okay, you have to do it in your readers itself. Fine. Question answers and meanings you have to do it in the classwork, and the grammar part you have to do it in your readers. Okay, so complete your work by the next class and stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.